show Mark how to fish.
It might have been a rabbit trap. I didn't actually fucking look at it. It'll fucking work, though.
That's the shallow end.
Good.
What's the shallow end? Right here?
Yeah.
Good. Like Isaiah said, that's what we want.
Are there big fish in here?
That is fishing since we rebuilt it. So we don't know. We caught a bunch of fucking fish. But the creek flooded and the pond flooded.
Ah, damn. Oh, missed him. Just missed one, Mark. Motherfucker hit it right here. I wasn't paying no attention. Don't let me outfish you. Damn. Just throw all the way across this motherfucker with that little Zipco.
Yeah, what's up, boy?
That don't count. That's a fish stick.
I don't give a shit. I still got one. Told you.
He did say first cast.
He did. See, what I'm chasing is gonna eat that. That's some 6 cents lures. God, I'm gonna get in this water with these fucking boots. I can already feel it. Mark halfway in the pond, he might as well be noodling.
Good thing he's right back in his fucking truck, not my car, huh?
I feel like he's gonna end up sinking and that boot's gonna get stuck. And he's gonna be bootless. Oh yeah. Tied up, Mark.
Hey, I ended up running out to my parent talk with Mark and it completely slipped my mind, but I said,
Fucking choked that sumbitch too.
can you hear me?
Come on, bitch.
Hold on, I'll send you a message. You gotta be
Line broke. So much for that swivel, huh?
That's my new lure.
Hey, you get used to that. I lost one in the tree that cost me $45.
Well,
That's why I use braid. on heading down. On this old chatterbait. Missed one, caught one. Mark's caught one. Braylon hasn't caught any, and Reed hasn't caught any. All right, I'm gonna go around the other side. See when I get there. And the rain's back. throw something new on. I feel like all those are gonna be too big. Throw this rattle trap on. Just missed one. Nice weather we're having. Starting to sweat a little bit. Got another one. Number 3, y'all didn't see the second one. I turned the camera off and immediately caught one the moment I turned the freaking camera off. Not big by any means, but it's a fish. Number 3, Mark. Getting downright soaked, boy. Let me know when y'all want to accept defeat. Hey, you'll never outfish the master. Never gonna outfish the master. I'm fucking waterlogged. Right? I've caught 2 off of it. And then 1 on the chatterbait. Nah, it's getting worse. I say y'all accept defeat. Getting a little soaked. How to put an ass whooping on these boys. We'll call it. The fish are still biting in the rain. I'm just not trying to get swamp ass. Alrighty, we're gonna head on back up to the house. Well, to the car. That's gonna be the end of this one, folks. In the meantime, always bring a second fucking jacket. That's what we've learned today. It's always bring a second jacket just in case the rain decides to just not let up and get worse. Let me tell you, I'm soaked. Straight soaked. Like, I feel I'm damp in places I shouldn't be damp. Fuck. Make our way to these fucking briars. Huh? Yeah. I'm not crazy. I'm not talking to myself. No, I'm not talking to myself. Talk to the camera. No, they always talk back. I just don't really acknowledge them. Tell you one thing though. I've got about an extra 10 pounds of waterlogged clothes. Accept defeat.
I'm throwing the same fucking brand you are and ain't touching shit.
Oh, he was calm after the storm.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Is it just lightening up?
It was just lining up a second ago before Jesus started fucking R. Kelly-ing us.
I think Toom's the one on telling you.
I wish he'd quit.
Yeah, see, we thought, I say his goddamn magnet picks back up.
Exactly, see?
Look, there's a bear up there, fucking.
Yeah, it's nice and wet.
Y'all just said y'all think I was done. I just cracked another case.
Yeah, it's nice and wet. Yeah, I'm good. I'd rather get dry.
Not a bad little 30, 40 minutes of fishing there.
Not bad. Little whooping. I hold classes every Tuesday and Sunday on how to catch largemouth bass. You and Mark come join.
Listen, motherfucker, I'm throwing the same shit you are.
No, this is actually a fucking old ass one I found in my room. This ain't even a 6 cents.
Well, that's some bullshit.
Yeah, this is just an old one I found in my room. Well, in my fucking trophy room that I had laying up on the tent.
Only thing I'm gonna catch today is a buzz, cause I'm going home and start drinking. Fuck.
I had to go fucking paint that damn fish.
Got some 5.56 ammo. You wanna go shoot a pig?
You got any pigs out right now?
I'm fucking down.
Say,
I'm sure we can find some.
all I got's 2 mags.
I got about 3.
Actually, I got a mag and a half. Because I only got 20 in the drum. And I got a full 30.
I
So I
probably got about 2
So you
mags
should have
now.
just bought the fuck 200 round. I would just paid you half. And I had an extra 100 rounds.
Will yours take 5.56?
Yes, mine's a wild. It'll take both.
Well, if I would have fucking thought about it.
Yeah, mine's a wild. It'll shoot both.
But all I got is a fucking red dot.
Ah, yeah.
Ah! It's okay. I'm good with that red dot. 300 meters on iron sights. Red dot's a little bit better.
You get a
I personally don't like it.
QD quick disconnect AR mount. One of the high-rise ones I have a scope I'll give you. Cannon's was supposed to have came and got it. But his ass just keeps bullshitting, so I got 2 whole scopes in my room.
Cameron's was supposed to sell Hunter a dog. Showed up with an 8-month-old puppy.
Where's the goober at?
Down there in the water.
He
Alrighty.
likes getting wet.
Signing out. This is the only smart one got out of the rain. Catch you on the next one.